So this bulb that's lit right now is M1, this bulb is M2, this bulb is M3, and this bulb is M4. And this is going to be the clock. So whenever I press this, it's going to lead to a rising edge that makes it jump along the line over here. So for example, I press this one and it jumps to this one. I press it again and it jumps to this one, and I press this one, it jumps to this, and then I press it again and it jumps to this one, and I press it again, it jumps to this one, I press it again, it jumps to this one, I press this again, it jumps to this one, because essentially when I'm pressing it, it creates a rising edge which acts like a clock. So this button is going to be the reset button. So whenever I press this, it's going to make the reset to M1 being on and the rest of it being off. And the reason why it only turns M1 on is because that's the way I configured it. So theoretically, if I chose to make this one be the one that's on when I reset it, then it would jump to this one. But because I chose M0 to be the one that turns on when I reset it, that's what happens. So that's why when I press this, it jumps automatically back to this one. So then now, if let's say we went along the line, and let's say I make the rising clock stop at M2. And then as soon as I press this button, it resets back to M0 again. So as you can see, as a demonstration, I can make this go down the line, and then as soon as I repress this one, it resets. This is the flip-flop, and this is the multiplexer. So the flip-flop is the one that controls it moving down the light moving down the line, and this one, which is the multiplexer, controls the reset and set.